in my head that were making me feel high. On my head was a hoodie, in my ears was some bass. I was walking around my dog when I saw that sexy face come towards me. With a little cheeky smile, if she was a phone, I pick her up and dial the fire brigade. On 000, she stole me my tracks. I said, hello, hello. Oh, hello, hello. Sleeping in the sand with some dreams in my head that were causing an extension to the towel and my bed. And the waves were rolling like the ghost on those legs, like that sweet beach pillow with a centerfold spread. In the midst of the slumber, heard some footsteps are creeping, and I woke to discover the woman I've been dreaming. She knelt down beside, said, can I share your pillow? I rolled over and I said, well, hello, hello. Oh, hello, hello. Some like money making, some like cars, and some like the houses with the rooftop spires, and some like the gossip about some rich sugar daddies. But me and my friends were like the golden brown honeys, and some like watching people living on TV. That's a little strange if you're asking me, cause I like to eat and laugh and play. I know these are the things I know. Well, hello, hello. Oh, hello, hello. Hello, hello. It's like the sound of some Petersburg bells banging in my head. Night train rattle, shake and rumble through the cab boom bunk bay. Hey, hey, hey. The segment says something about the superstatic travel tension that brigade. My magic woman met this woman while the wheels squeal. Then the tracks stay great.